I would like to welcome you all. Question paper discussion for the subject Introduction to Python Programming. This is a session 2, which I am going to cover Module 2 and Module 3. And this question paper is mainly focused on how to answer it properly and how to prepare it. Okay, this question paper, which is taken from the previous year question paper set of June-July 2023. So kindly go through it once very carefully. Prepare accordingly. The first question of this particular session, question number 4A, how is tuple different from list, and which is the function used to convert list into tuple? Explain, which carries the weightage of 6 marks. You know what is tuple and what is list. List is nothing but we can arrange the items in a sequential and ordered pair. The list is mutable. Okay, we can change the list by using different type of list method. If I talk about the list is represented by using the square bracket, you know, right? If I talk about the tuple is actually immutable, ordered. Okay, so it is represented by using like a normal bracket, parenthesis, correct? That is regarding the list and tuple. How to convert list into tuple? Yes, it's possible. List can be converted into tuple, and tuple can be converted into list. So both are actually the reverse process. We can do it. Question number 4, how to answer it? As you can see, tuple versus list, two differences you are supposed to maintain. You will be getting 2 marks. Converting list into tuple, you can see here. Tuple, then you can put the list element, cat, dog, then 5. This become like a tuple. So the list is going to become tuple. Okay, I'll be getting the output like this. And I can go for like a reverse fashion also. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 will be getting 6 marks. I think it's clear to everybody. So follow accordingly. Answer it properly. Question number 4B, list the merits of dictionary over list. What do you mean by dictionary, you know? So dictionary, okay, I will show you once. So dictionary will be representing like this. For example, I can represent, it's like a key value pair. So one for cat, okay, 1 colon cat, or 2 colon dog, like that you can represent. So I'll be using the flower bracket, I'll be representing. So here, what you're supposed to do is, the thing is, the items in the dictionaries are unordered, where the items which are in the tuple is ordered. Similarly, dictionaries can't be sliced like list. That is another important point. Explain these 2 points with help of some examples. You will be getting, definitely you will be getting 4 marks. Okay, I think it's clear to all. Hope you can make it. Okay, prepare accordingly. So these are the things you need to add in your answer book. Question number 4C, read n numbers from the console and create the list. Okay, develop a program to compute and print the mean, variance, and standard deviation with the suitable messages. You should know the formula of calculation of mean, what is variance, what is standard deviation. There are several methods, whichever you are comfortable, you can go ahead. So here I'll be giving one model. So if you are interested, you can go ahead. Otherwise, you can go for any other method, which is most convenient for you. Question number 4C. Yes, here the thing is, as you can observe, the error-free program. The expectation is error-free program in Python. Okay, you should not get any logic error or syntax error. So it should be error-free programming. So program which has the steps of 8 marks and expected output 2 marks. Okay, so you need to explain the program with the suitable steps which has having the weightage of 10 marks. If you need the program, do let me know. I am going to share it. Okay, I have the program. If you need, you can manage. This is actually the distribution of the marks. You should know the formula properly and how to how to use the user defined function and how to develop the mean, standard deviation, variance, etc. Okay, statistical method. Okay, central tendencies. So weightage is 10 marks. This is regarding question number 4, A, B, and C. Question number 5A. What would be the questions? Let me see. Explain the following methods with a suitable example. These are the list methods: upper, lower, east upper, east lower. You have to apply it properly. 2 into 4, 8 marks. That is expectation. How the answer key look like? Let's have a brief look. Have a look on this. It will definitely help you to answer it in the forthcoming examination. Yes. How the answer key look like? Yes. Each method will be carries 2 marks. Upper 2 marks, lower 2 marks to convert all the letters into upper cases and lower cases. Is upper, you can give like a true or false statement. Is lower also you can verify it with help of simple examples. We definitely will be getting 8 marks. I'm sure about that. So this is regarding the answer for question number 5A. Question number 5B, illustrate with the example of opening the file with the open function, reading the content of the file with the read and write. You should know what is read and write. Read means you are actually accessing the information. Write means you are modifying that. These are the things which are related to file management. Okay, how to manage how to organize the file. That's the topic. Question number 5B. So look at this, how to answer. See, question number, if I talk about the question number 5B, so it's very clear. Open. So used to open the file, then path, absolute and relative path. So you can identify like open path or path home, then read. Okay, read the file. Okay, these are the things you need to add. Okay, then how to read and write, that is most important. Okay, see, also like modification, like a file open, file text A, then file dot write. It is a new files like that. You can have like some good examples. Read, okay, write some basic examples you can add, and you can explain the significance. Okay, so that is the concept. So you should know the how to organize the file. That's a concept. You have to explain with the help of suitable example. The weightage is 12 marks. Manage it properly. Okay. Organizing the file. How to organize the file with the basic operations. How path, relative path, absolute path. Those things you have to explain very clearly. That is the expectation from question number 5, which has the weightage of 12 marks. Question number 6A, explain the steps involved in adding bullets to wiki markup. It's a project actually. Okay, so adding the wiki markup, support with appropriate code, which has the weightage of, which carries the weightage of 10 marks, which carries the marks of 10 marks. So here, what is the expectation is, okay, wiki markup. So you should know what is wiki file. Okay. Steps involved in adding the bullets to wiki markup. Okay, that's a program. Step number 1, copy and paste from the clipboard. Okay, you have to use the suitable comments. These are the algorithms. Step number 2, separate the lines of text and add to the star. Step number 3, join the modified lines. These are the 3 important steps. You have to prepare corresponding code also, which has the weightage of 10 marks. Equal weightage will be given for algorithm as well as programs. Kindly write both algorithms and programs because weightage is 10 marks. So prepare accordingly. If it is only for 5 marks, directly you can go for program. But here steps are also required. Usually we write the algorithm first, later we'll go for program implementation. Question number 6B, develop a program to sort the contents of the text file and write the sorted contents to separate text file. Use strip, len, list method. You can explain with the help of suitable example. Question number 6B. So here we require like error-free program, which is mentioned in the syllabus, and expected output. You can do any one of the program. If you need the program, kindly let me know. I'll share. Based on the request, I'm going to share the particular program. This topic is yet to be covered in my lecture series. I'll be doing it soon. Question number 7A. How do you copy the files and folder using shuttle module? Explain in detail, which has the weightage of 6 marks. You should know the basics of shuttle module. Okay, why it is required for shuttle module? Copying the files using the shuttle module, like import shuttle OS. Initially, we require like a shuttle module is required. We have to import shuttle. Apart from that, OS module also required. We have to import. Then from path lib, import path, then path home, comment for writing the shuttle copy. Okay, you have to mention the path. Okay, shuttle dot copy, that path you have to mention with the suitable examples. So which has the weightage of 6 marks. This is the way how the answer key look like. Based on the answer key, we are going to provide the marks for you people. Then what are assertions? Write the content of the assert statement. Explain with the help of suitable example. 7B. So an assertion is a facility to check to make more your code it is doing something or is there any like some exception similar to exception only. Okay, so uh, similar kind of exceptions you have to explain about like a keyword. Use the keyword assertion. It's a for like a set of procedures you have to mention. Okay, which has the weightage of 8 marks. Illustrate the logging levels in Python. What is logging level? So you have to explain about how many logging levels. There are 5 logging levels. Okay, what are the 5 types of logging level? Debug, info, warning, error. So critical. These are the 5 type of logging level, like debug, then information, warning, error, critical. All the things you have to explain with the help of like the severity of the errors. What is the importance of debugging? You have to explain. So these are the different type of logging level, which is one of the more salient features in Python. Okay. Yes. So let me know if you have any queries. If you require the program, do let me know. I'm going to share. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can prepare the same manner for your forthcoming examination. So I'll be discussing the remaining section in the coming module, when the coming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning. I wish you all the very best for your examination as well.